Welcome back to a new video. In today's video we gotta feed some heifers some silage and put some bedding in the barn. Got the Manitou out again after it got washed the other day. Was just sitting in the shed, but it's frozen again, so I'm gonna use the skid loader now again. Let's go get these guys fed. Got the Manitou skid loader out here again, using her today because it's kind of cold out here and that skid loader's nice and warm. But anyway, we got a wet wrap here. We got to open up. I've got many of questions on how do you cut these things open and why do you do it that way. So I'm going to show you guys. We're going to pull one off here quick with the skid loader. First we're gonna move this corn stack end cap, and then we're gonna grab the bale off. So I'm gonna hop back to the skidler here, pull that off. Smell that. It smells awesome. They were only talking a 20% chance of snow for today. It's been snowing all day, lightly. Throw the frozen mesh wrap out there. Dusty! Oh! Grab the wall, that'll hold that shut for a minute. Unchain this then. And grab this gate. Of course, it catches on the gate. Can't just go easy. There, you come back in. Come on in. What do you think of the nice fresh bedding? Come on in, girls. Come on, go back in here where it's warm and dry. Fresh bedding. Fresh cornstalk fodder bale. Let's do the one-handed chain job. There we go. And then I gotta put this little clip on to keep them from getting together. What makes the farmer happy? Happy calves. They love fresh bedding. It wasn't too bad out this morning, but yeah, it's getting cold now with the wind. It's like 12 degrees, but I think the wind chill's below zero still. I don't think the wind chill's made it above zero all day. Oh, they got ton sheets out here. That's not good. Thankfully they're not froze down. Oh, somebody forgot to cut them out of the hay feeder. Got these tearing around because they're happy. They got fresh bedding. That pent's done, this pent's done. Just getting the mesh wrap out. It's shut a little bit. These guys got a bell. Yeah. This northwest wind is cold, but guess what? I'll take the cold over the mud. I'm tired of mud. It can stay frozen all the way till the rest of winter. Another update on the American flags. I got 2 more for the boards all cut out right here. And I got this one all done. And the other one's up there. As always, keep on farming. Right here I'm kicking up this 25% moisture round bale hay that we baled. This is 3rd crop moisture hay. We're feeding the heifers here, the younger heifers. My dad's bringing a bucket of corn here for them. And then I kick a little to the steers here. Well folks, it's around 6 something, around 6 o'clock. I gotta get some silage again for the milk cows here, because they need a little extra because it's cold and we don't have to put the silo and loaders back down. If you're wondering what I mean by put the silo and loaders back down, is we crank them up 10 rounds to get them a little, so they don't freeze down. So I just need a little more haylage. I'm gonna get just one bucket full here quick out of the bag. Let's go take that to them now, everybody. It's not exactly a nice one out here today. This wind sucks. Monday's supposed to be the worst, it sounds like, though. Got the Manitou skid loader here. Heading up to the barn.